At the point when September rolls around, trouble that summer is over blends in with happiness that life can dial back only a tad. In any event, for a month, as children return to school and before the Christmas season kicks in. Out in the garden, plants hurl a murmur of alleviation from summer's intense sun and noticeably give indications of mileage, letting us realize that they need some additional tending at this moment and would cherish help transitioning into cooler temperatures. 1. Plan for the following spring. As insane as it might appear with fall knocking on the door, right now is an ideal opportunity to consider spring and planting spring blooming bulbs for a terrific presentation 1 year from now. Simple and savvy decisions are daffodils, hyacinths, and crocus. 2. Water, however, don't fertilize your shade plants. Concentrate completely on your shade-loving camellias and rhododendrons right now to ensure the roots are all around watered so that the following year's buds are effectively created. Also, hold on to fertilizing these delights until their dynamic development period in the spring, since feeding them currently creates late-season new development that is powerless against harm from upcoming freezing temperatures. 3. Deadhead flowers, yet not every one of them. Continue to deadhead annuals and flowering perennials to keep them blooming until the May nice, paying extraordinary consideration regarding your dahlias and bush roses to keep the sprouts moving. Also, thinking ahead, pass on certain flowers to go to seed, like those adorning rudbeckias and the cynoceas, so eager birds will have some scrumptious seed treats to chomp on in the fall and winter. 4. Harvest your edibles. Ideally, you've had an effective yield, and provided that this is true, continue to harvest your rewards for so much hard work. Furthermore, perhaps this year, take up the specialty of freeze-drying, canning, or pickling so you can broaden your harvest and the season. Additionally, make sure to tidy up rotting natural products starting from the earliest stage, soft natural products left on trees, as this can spread illness. Furthermore, last, don't neglect to harvest spices for drying and freezing for utilization later in recipes. 5. Don't stop planting. Right now is an ideal opportunity to plant an assortment of cool season cinch to develop pretties like calendula, universe, pansies, and chrysanthemums. Tip: let your nearby nursery be your aid and see what's new in the store. Ensure you pick container-developed plants that aren't root-bound and burst out of the bottom. 6. Set up your pumpkins. To assist your pumpkins with ripening for Halloween, eliminate leaves shadowing the organic product. In addition, raise your happy companions off the ground to forestall conceivable rotting. One stunt is to set them on a piece of wood or leftover record. 7. Direct your concentration toward cool weather harvests. Regardless of the sun lowering itself somewhat in the sky, this oil is still warm and toasty, so there is still an opportunity to plant select edibles. What's more, the reward is that the kind of many harvests, think beets and carrots, gets more delicious because of the upcoming virus winter temperatures concentrating the sugars. Plants to develop now: snap peas, wintergreens, chard, mustard, and collards, likewise brassicas, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Furthermore, don't disregard adding onions to your rundown. In the event that you live in a cool environment, develop your new yields under a virus outline in a nursery.